Ladies and gentlemen, I am officially running for President of the United States, and we are going to make our country great again.
My hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet.
I am your voice.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, Donald John Trump, do solemnly swear
I, Donald John Trump, do solemnly swear
that I will faithfully execute
that I will faithfully execute
the office of President of the United States
the office of President of the United States
and will, to the best of my ability,
and will, to the best of my ability,
preserve, protect, and defend
preserve, protect, and defend
the Constitution of the United States.
the Constitution of the United States.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.
In order to make America great and glorious again, I am tonight announcing my candidacy for President of the United States.
My fellow Americans, 4 years ago we launched a great national effort to rebuild our country, to renew its spirit, and to restore the allegiance.
I am your warrior. I am your justice. And for those who have been wronged and betrayed, I am your retribution.
We can now project that former Vice President Joe Biden has been elected President of the United States. He is President-elect Joseph Robinette Biden at 77.
A former president of the United States, for the first time in history, has been indicted, will face criminal charges.
Of a second indictment of former President Donald Trump, this time over his handling of classified documents at Mar-a-Lago.
Former President Donald Trump indicted again, this time on charges related to the Capitol riot.